Hello friends, under class 11th accounting we are seeing the first chapter, basic accounting terms. This is the lecture number 4, and if you want to start the video and basic accounting terms, whatever we have studied in the previous lectures, you can go in playlist class 11th accountancy, class 11th accounts. You will click on that playlist, then you will get all the videos from starting from lecture 1. Today we are going to study liability. In the last lecture we have seen assets. We have studied about the assets, classifications of assets. But in today's lecture, in the present lecture, we are going to see what liability. Liability. Okay. Assets and liability. Assets and liability. In the business, assets and liabilities, there are two important terms in the business. Whatever we have to understand in very you can say describe in long way. We have to understand the meaning of assets and liabilities. When we will prepare the balance sheet, okay my dear students, balance sheet, then we will understand the very in healthy way or in a very described manner, you can say, we will understand the meaning of assets and liability when we will prepare to the balance sheet. But today we are going to see what liability. What do you mean by liability in the business? What do you have to pay in the terms of money, and what do you have to owe from the outsider of the business, that is called liability. Means what you have to pay in the terms of money to the outsiders of the business, that is called liability, excepted the owner of the concern. Getting you all? मतलब जो आपको बिजनेस के आउटसाइडर्स को, जो आपको मनी के टर्म्स में पे करना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लायबिलिटी. गेटिंग यू ऑल? सो व्हाट वी कैन से, लायबिलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू एसेट्स माइनस कैपिटल. Liability is equals to L is equals to A minus C. You can write in the definition as in a formula way. Getting you all? When we talk about the classification of liability, there are two types of liabilities. First one is fixed liability. And second one is current liabilities. Okay, fixed liability, definition of fixed liability is which liability which hold for more than one financial period. That is called what? Fixed liability. That is called fixed liability or long term liability. लॉन्ग टर्म liabilities. Getting you all or long term liabilities. What we are seeing, fixed liabilities are those type of liabilities which hold for more than one financial period. वन फाइनेंशियल पीरियड मतलब एक फाइनेंशियल पीरियड से ज्यादा के लिए होल्ड करते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, फिक्स लायबिलिटी को। जैसे जो लोन, जो भी पैसा हमको लंबे समय में पेड करना है, लंबे समय में पेमेंट करना है, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, फिक्स लायबिलिटी कहेंगे। एग्जाम्पल लॉन्ग टर्म लोन, लॉन्ग टर्म लोन। सेकेंड, डिवेंचर्स, debentures is also a long term loan. Okay, getting over long term, this is fixed liability. Current liability, same. What? Current liabilities is such type of liability, which payable in one financial period. That is called current liability. Getting more example like as creditor, BP, outstanding expenses. What are these? These are the current liabilities. There are two types of long term or fixed liabilities, and second one is current liabilities. Getting over fixed liabilities, type and current liabilities. One more liabilities we see in the books of account. What? Contingent liability. Contingent liability means which may or may not, which payable may or may not in future. Contingent liabilities are those type of liabilities which are may or may not payable on some specific event. On happening of some specific event. What I have written? Contingent CL I have written. Contingent liability are those type of liability which are may or may not payable on happening of some specific event. This one is misprinted. Happening of some event, that is called what? Contingent liabilities. Like if any court case pending in the court, then if we lose, then it will be contingent liability. Okay, कोई अगर कोर्ट केस किसी प्रॉपर्टी के लिए चलता है और उसको हम जीत जाते हैं तो वो मेरे लिए एसेट्स होगा, और हार जाते हैं तो मेरे लिए क्या होगा, एक लायबिलिटी हो जाएगी। तो इसका एक एग्जांपल है विच पेबल इन फ्यूचर मे और मे नॉट, पे करना भी सकता है और नहीं भी किया सकता है। इसके साथ एक लाइन हम और लिखेंगे, द कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी विल नॉट शोन इन द बैलेंस शीट, कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी will not shown in the balance sheet of the business concern. Getting all? Contingent liability will not shown in the balance sheet of the business concern. ये balance sheet concern में नहीं दिखाया जाता, ऐसी किसी को हम contingent liability का। तो पहला एग्जांपल मैंने क्या कहा कि any court case is pending, okay, and if we lose, then it will be liability for the business concern. Second, bill discounted but not mature. Bill discounted, this example we will understand when we will chapter bill of exchange. We will study the chapter bills of exchange. Getting you all? So this is the classification of liabilities. Hope you all are getting liabilities, types of liabilities, fixed liabilities, current liabilities and contingent liabilities. अक्सर ये पूछा जाता है 2 नंबर में, what do you mean by contingent liability? So learn and prepare your notes, okay?